We are Team Aura, and this is the story of the 2019-2020 drone season. When deciding on a team name, we wanted something that was relatively catchy, associated with the wind or flying, and something that we could build our brand off of. We settled on the name Aura just as last year, in early August. In Greek mythology, Aura is the goddess of breeze and wind. We figured this name worked well for our drone team, and we could then build our brand off this name. Once we decided on a name, our graphic designer Taylor Garena got to work on our team logo.
As soon as we had a name, we decided to design the logo, and we had a whiteboard behind us, so we got doodling, and the first design kind of looked too much like an Avengers A, but we at least got the font down, and we added a wing to make it stand out and kind of differentiate the two. Considering Aura is the goddess of the sky, we decided to color the logo blue. We added effects, such as the fade one, to make it stand out more, and then we were done.
Now, before we could start building drones, testing our early designs, or doing anything of the sort, we had to obtain funding and purchase the necessary supplies for our team. Here to discuss our fundraising efforts is our marketing coordinator, Timmy Pritchard.
We started by seeking out a couple of companies in the local area to sponsor us. Jeremy and I set up meetings with Smitty's Car Service and Chippewa Pet Grooming in early October. We discussed the success of last year's team, our goals for the upcoming season, and the benefits of sponsorship. Smitty's and Chippewa generously gave a combined $400 to the team. Our co-marketing coordinator, Levi Gaynor, also set up a meeting with K3 Mechanical in town, who generously gave another $400 to the cause. This acted as a emergency/quick purchase fund for the team. Now to discuss our purchases is drone technician Andrew Magyar.
Our initial weight was around 4.5 grams. That was way too heavy for what we needed, so we started cutting down on the amount of filament and supports we used. We cut down the cross beams, which were around 2 millimeters thick, and we also cut down the propeller guards. We found that the battery length was directly proportional to the motors. Gold motors couldn't support the drone's weight regardless of the battery quality, and unicorn motors drained battery life too quickly. After further testing and research, we confirmed that plaid motors could sustain over 2 minutes of flight and carry the drone's weight with ease.
Now that we have obtained sponsorships and supplies, it was time to put our drone designs to the test. Our team of design engineers consists of Nelson Moorfield, Andrew Magyar, and Levi Gaynor. Our initial designs date back to early December.
The ideal drone design is something that's compact, lightweight, and has an unobstructed point of view. The drone body was made compact by making things as small as possible and utilizing a crossbeam. The prop guards are the shape of quarter circles so that they take up less space and absorb the most possible impact. The payload easily secures between the battery and the crossbeam. The camera slips on top of the main body so that it takes up very little space.
We wanted the camera mount to give the best possible view to me, the pilot, so we made the camera clip on the front side of the drone and the camera rest over top of the flight controller. That made it fit tightly into place and also helped with the compact drone design while protecting the antenna.
By mid-December, we were printing drones and were able to test our early design concepts. However, it soon became apparent that there were some problems with our drone. We found that the drone was too heavy, the prints weren't very durable, and the batteries weren't lasting long enough during flight. We addressed these problems in a number of ways.
Weight reduction was made possible by reducing thickness in the crossbeam and main body. We found that these cuts did not reduce the stability and sturdiness of the drone. After making these adjustments, the drone weighed 3.7 grams, an instant improvement to flying ability.
We found that making the print hotter increased the quality of the print, and also that slowing down the print made it look more detailed.
After these adjustments were made, we were back on track for the February competition. Team Aura has worked very hard and hopes that this hard work will pay off come competition day. However, win or lose, nothing can take away the valuable learning experiences that each team member has gained along the way. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed our video presentation.
Well, this is all film. John can edit it out.